Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Canadian Tire Bank customer service. First, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down Canadian Tire Bank and enter it. And over here you need to click under this Canadian Tire Bank. And once you're inside this home page, you need to click over here that says help. And from here, what you can do is you can also go to this customer support. If you want to support from the seniors, you can do that as well. Because I'm going to select this customer support. From here, scroll a bit down. And if you find any of the relatable questions under this FAQ, what you can do is you can open it. And over here, you can find the instruction. You can simply follow the on-screen instruction over here. And what you can do is, if you need more help, you can simply go back again. And from here, scroll a bit down. And under this, you can find this number. If you need help with a credit card or deposit product, you can find this number over here. And that is it. And before contacting, make sure you have your account information ready for identity verification. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.